Hey guys, back again to let you know that we are installing the PWR Intercooler onto my FK8 Civic Type R. And also, gonna be installing my old intercooler, the PRL Intercooler, onto my friend Vong's CTR as well. So let's not waste any more time. I'm not gonna be speaking a lot in this video, so just enjoy the install, let me know what you think, and let's get to it. Okay, lad guys, hey. So this is my other car. It used to be my daily. It's a 2001 Honda Civic LX sedan, and it is down right now. So I'm dailying the Type R right now. So I'm planning on getting it up and running again, but I don't know when. But let me know if you guys want this in the video. Let me just give you guys a real quick walkthrough of the car and what I have on it already. So right now, sitting on MST wheels, some eBay coilovers, aftermarket headlights. Oh dang, it's frozen. I didn't know it was that cold. So dailying this car during the summertime. I go fishing a lot, so I have this, carry all my fishing stuff and coolers and whatnot. It's a little janky spoiler I got a long time ago. HKS exhaust. What else do I have on there? Got these window visors. Dang, the car is really frozen. I didn't know it was that cold last night. Front lip. Engine bay, I got an intake in there, and that's pretty much it. So intake, exhaust, rims, the basic stuff. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this car. Should I, what do you guys think? Should I, okay, it's getting cold out here. Okay, it's getting cold out here. Let's get back into the R. So let me know what you guys think. What should I do with the car? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys want me to do. I was thinking maybe a track build, but I don't know. I don't really see I don't see a lot of ES1 Civics tracking. Maybe a sleeper. I don't know. Maybe case swapping it or something. I don't know. Guys, comment down below. Let me know what you want me to do. Or give me some ideas. Right now it's just sitting and I don't want it to go to waste. So yeah, let me know. Alright, so sorry for wasting your time. Let's go back to the install. So just 1, 2, and 3. Skip that. Tabs in there and in there. All you guys just push it down. It should release. So before removing the whole thing off, unplug the fog lights on one side, and then you can do the other side as well. You have a 10 bolt right here, 12 mil bolt right here, and another 12 mil, and it should be the same on the other side. You guys can see this. This is a clip here that's still attached, so you go under here, remove that, and this should this should be free. PWR with PRL. Let's see them side by side. Not really much difference. Inside there and there. Yeah. Got my lunch right here. I got the bulgogi kimbap. Kimbap? Is that what it's called? I don't know. Got my lunch right here. Boom, boom. And let's talk about the new intercoolers. To be honest, I really don't know anything about the intercooler that I just got. I was just helping out my friend Jimmy to part out. What I was told by Jimmy is that it is better in that it will be better in performance, better in cooling. Other than the price range and the other stuff I mentioned, when I was putting them side by side, they looked the same. They felt the same. They weighed pretty much the same. Yeah, I have no idea. I have no idea. All I can do is just flex on like the flex that was $1,000, but. I mean, don't get me wrong. If Jimmy wasn't partying out, I would have just stuck with PRL, and I would have been okay with that. But it was a good deal. $1,000 intercooler for $550. Yeah, I think that's a good deal. So after we get done with the lunch, we're gonna be heading to Vong's place. I'm gonna install the PRL into his car, so we can also do an install on a fresh stock car with the intercooler still attached to it. Alright guys, so this is Vong's Type R. Got his front end removed, and this is the stock intercooler. So this is what it looks like. Same stuff. Move the 212 here, 212 millimeter, and the 10 right there. Once you remove that side and that side, you can free. This will be free up to pull. You can pull this out and install your new intercooler. Okay, so if you haven't already seen what a stock intercooler from the FK8 looks like, here it is. Looks like a baby intercooler compared to the PRL. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for today. Hope you liked the install. Thank you for watching. More to come. If you like the video, please like the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Alright guys, till next time. Take care.